If you're thinking about carrying something for your personal safety, then this is something that you might be interested in. This was sent to me to try out. This is a mini stun gun. It looks like a keychain, so you can definitely attach this to your keys. Basically, it looks like your car keys. I just wanted to show you these buttons actually don't do anything. They just are for looks. And then, of course, it has this nice keychain that you can attach this to your keys. On the side, it does have this safety switch. And then on the very end, for you to be able to use it as your stun gun, and then this is the light. So if I turn this switch to the middle, it will turn green, and that allows this light to work. So you can see how bright it is. You can press it again, and it'll be less bright. And then you can have the SOS, and then off. So that's what green is for. Red, when you switch it all the way up, will allow you to use the stun gun part. And as you can see, it is pretty loud, and it is bright. And then you always want to switch this to off when you're not using it. Down here, it does have a charging port. It does come with a cable to charge it with. So I'm by no means an expert when it comes to stun guns, so you'll see all kinds of information with stun guns, such as voltages, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to stop someone. It's more about disruption. So what I usually will pay attention to is how easy it is to use, so knowing where the button is and how it feels in your hand, because even just the sound and the spark can act as a deterrent. So what I really like about this is it's easy to carry. You can put it in your purse, you can put it on your keychain, so it's readily accessible. You can also put this in your pocket if you really wanted to. It has a safety switch on it, and just it being readily accessible is what makes this a really good deterrent. So to me, this is just something that helps create space and time for me to get away if I need it. So if you're looking to upgrade your safety measures, then you should definitely check this one out.